Welcome to Productly. Today we're counting down the top 5 best PC cases in 2026. Let's find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. NZXT H7 Flow. Color: white. Weight: 11.35 kilograms, 25.0 pounds. Category: Mid-Tower ATX Airflow PC case. If you're putting together a gaming PC and airflow is a top priority, the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 is definitely worth checking out. Right away, the clean white finish gives it a modern look, but the real focus here is cooling performance. One thing I like is that it comes with 3 120mm front fans already installed, so you can get your build running without immediately shopping for extra cooling. The mesh front and top panels help move plenty of air through the case, which is especially useful during long gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Another standout feature is the support for 3 bottom-mounted 120mm fans that can direct fresh air toward the graphics card. That's a thoughtful addition for anyone using a powerful GPU. If you're planning a liquid-cooled setup, there's also room for large radiators, giving you flexibility for future upgrades. Building inside the case also seems pretty straightforward. The cable management channels, hooks, and included straps make it much easier to keep everything neat, which improves both airflow and the overall appearance. On the downside, this case is fairly large and weighs over 11 kilograms, so it isn't the easiest option if you move your PC around often. It also focuses on airflow more than flashy lighting, so RGB enthusiasts may want to add their own components. Overall, the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 looks like a solid choice for builders who want excellent airflow, easy cable management, and plenty of room for high-performance hardware. Number 4. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Color: black. Weight: 7.8 kilograms, 17.2 pounds. Category: Mid-Tower ATX PC case. The Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is one of those PC cases that immediately stands out because it does things a little differently. Instead of arriving fully assembled, it comes in a flat pack design that lets you build and customize the case itself before you even install your hardware. If you enjoy the DIY side of PC building, that's a fun bonus. Once everything is together, you get a surprisingly flexible mid-tower case. The fully modular layout lets you reposition panels, choose different power supply locations, and even mount your graphics card vertically using the included bracket. That makes it easy to tailor the build to your own style or hardware. Cooling is another strong point. It includes a rear 120mm fan out of the box, and there's plenty of room to expand with multiple additional fans or large radiators if you're planning a high-performance gaming or workstation setup. The spacious interior also supports everything from Mini-ITX up to certain ATX motherboards, along with long graphics cards and tall CPU coolers. Cable management is well thought out, with generous space behind the motherboard tray and several routing points that help keep the interior clean. The only thing to keep in mind is that assembly takes a little more time than a traditional case, so beginners may need a bit of patience. But if customization is part of the fun for you, that's not necessarily a drawback. Overall, the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a creative, versatile PC case that's a great fit for builders who enjoy flexibility, clean cable management, and plenty of room for future upgrades. Number 3. nWin A3 MicroATX Gaming Chassis. Color: black. Weight: 11.6 pounds, 5.26 kilograms. Category: Micro-ATX Gaming PC case. If you're looking for a compact PC case that still feels premium, the nWin A3 MicroATX is an interesting option. It has a clean, minimalist design that doesn't try too hard, making it a great fit for both gaming setups and more understated desks. One of the first things you'll notice is the tempered glass side panel, which gives you a clear view of your components without making the case look overly flashy. nWin also includes a slim ARGB fan, adding a bit of customizable lighting right out of the box while keeping noise levels under control. The vertical airflow layout is designed to help move heat efficiently through the case, and it supports both air and water cooling if you decide to upgrade your system later. Another feature I appreciate is the screwless side panel. It makes opening the case much quicker when you're installing new hardware or cleaning out dust filters. Despite its compact size, there's enough room for Micro-ATX builds, making it a practical choice for gamers who want to save desk space without giving up upgrade potential. One limitation is that only one fan comes pre-installed, so users with high-end hardware may want to add a few more fans to maximize cooling performance. Also, if you're planning a full-size ATX build, this isn't the right case. Overall, the nWin A3 MicroATX is a well-designed chassis that combines a compact footprint, modern styling, and flexible cooling options, making it a solid choice for anyone building a clean and capable Micro-ATX gaming PC. Number 2. Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB. Color: white. Weight: 14 pounds, 6.35 kilograms. Category: Mid-Tower EATX PC case. The Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow is the kind of PC case that grabs your attention before you even power it on. With its pillarless front and side tempered glass panels, it gives your components a wide-open showcase while keeping the overall design clean and modern. Right out of the box, it includes three 120mm ARGB fans, so you already have both airflow and customizable lighting without needing extra accessories. For most gaming builds, that's a nice starting point and helps simplify the setup process. This case also leaves plenty of room for future upgrades. It supports EATX motherboards, long graphics cards up to 420mm, and a 360mm radiator on the top if you're planning an all-in-one liquid cooler. That flexibility makes it suitable for everything from a mid-range gaming system to a more powerful workstation. I also like the front I/O layout, which includes a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port alongside two USB 3.0 ports, making it convenient for newer peripherals and fast external storage. One thing to keep in mind is that the extensive tempered glass looks fantastic, but it does require regular cleaning since fingerprints and dust tend to show more easily than on solid panels. Overall, the Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow offers an excellent combination of modern aesthetics, strong cooling support, and upgrade flexibility. If you're building a white-themed gaming PC that you want to display proudly, this case is a very solid option. Number 1. Lian A3 MicroATX Black. Color: black. Weight: 11 pounds, 5.0 kilograms. Category: Mini-Tower MicroATX PC case. The Lian A3 MicroATX proves that you don't need a huge PC case to build a powerful gaming system. Even with its compact 26.3-liter footprint, it offers impressive hardware compatibility that makes it stand out from many other small form factor cases. What I really like is the flexibility of the internal layout. It supports both Micro-ATX and Mini-ITX motherboards, and there's enough clearance for graphics cards up to 415mm long. That means you can pair this case with some seriously capable hardware without feeling cramped. Airflow is another highlight. The steel mesh panels on the top and sides help move plenty of fresh air through the system, and if you're planning a high-performance build, the case supports up to a 360mm AIO cooler and as many as 10 120mm fans. Just remember that no fans are included, so you'll need to budget for your own cooling solution. The modular interior also deserves credit. The flexible power supply mounting options make it easier to optimize cable routing and maximize space depending on your components. That kind of adaptability is especially valuable in a compact chassis. The biggest downside is that first-time builders may spend a little extra time planning fan placement and cable management because of the smaller interior. Since cooling fans aren't included, that's another added cost to consider. Overall, the Lian A3 MicroATX is an excellent option for anyone who wants a clean, minimalist PC with impressive hardware support and plenty of room to customize the build to their needs.